What's going on, everyone? These are the Tusk rear shock bottom out bumpers. Now these are going to help you regain your bottoming resistance that a worn shock bumper is going to give you, and these are a great OE replacement that come in at a competitive price. Now when it comes to these rear shock bumpers, they live a hard life. Anytime your rear shock is coming into the last 25 to 30% of its travel, these things start taking a beating to make sure that you are getting the bottoming resistance that you need to keep you safe. Now, when are you getting into the last 25 to 30% of your travel? It happens more often than you think, but the most dangerous time that this is happening is when you go long or come up short on a big jump. You're asking the most that you possibly can out of your suspension at that time. And this thing needs to do its very important job in order to keep you safe and off the ground. Now, when it comes to these Tusk rear shock bumpers, these are made out of OE quality polyurethane, and they have been developed specifically to make sure to give you the proper density as well as sizing to fit your bike perfectly. Everything from the size for the shock shaft, the size of the hole for the shock shaft, as well as the size that's going to sit into the cup that this sits in, is all made specifically for your bike. Now these bumpers are machine specific, so you are going to want to put in your year, make, and model of machine to make sure you get the bumper that you need. Now when it comes to installation of these, this will take a full shock disassembly to get to this bumper. And so we've got all of the product videos on our webpage to make sure that you can walk through that shock disassembly and have the confidence to replace this yourself. Now we do also have all the other components that you're going to need, as well as the specialty tools on our website. To pick up those or these shock bumpers, click on the link below to get yours. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, thanks so much for watching.